If you follow my channel, you know that I am always looking to propagate plants. But sometimes it happens to me automatically. I don't need to do anything. For example, here I have pink jasmine growing, and I was cleaning at the bottom and I saw that some of the branches are going horizontally. So I started pulling them up and I noticed that some of them have actually developed roots, which is great. I can make new plants from those. Look at this. There's a root here. Look at this one. Another root here. 1 and 2 and 3. 3 roots growing. So I can potentially make 3 plants from it. And there are others also. Look at this. So basically, if you keep an eye on your plants, you can multiply them so quickly, free of cost. So I'm going to cut this one here and plant it because these are big roots. And then here is another one. I'm going to cut here too. So for now, let's plant these 2 branches. So I've taken 2 small containers with general purpose potting soil mix, and of course the containers have holes at the bottom so that extra water can drain out. And then I'm just going to take each branch and bury the roots in the soil. That's about it. And one of the plants, the second one, has actually a big branch. So I want to cut it short because we have uprooted these, so they will get a shock. And if the branch is really long, the root has to support that long branch. So you want to cut it short so that the burden on the roots is less. So now I'm going to water them thoroughly and keep them in shaded area for a few days, maybe a week. And then when I see the signs of it growing, I can bring them in the sun because jasmine likes full sun. And we have 2 plants ready to go, free of cost. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.